Artificial intelligence, AI, has reached a remarkable level of advancement today. It can assist doctors in diagnosing diseases, translate texts from any language in real time, and even create art that challenges human creativity. But surprisingly, despite these incredible capabilities, AI still relies on the same basic computer parts made from silicon, a material that has been around since the 1950s. However, as technology continues to push boundaries, some scientists and tech companies believe it's time for a significant leap forward. Instead of using the traditional materials and methods to power computers, they're starting to explore the potential of living organisms. This fascinating and emerging field is called biocomputing, and it aims to create computers out of biological elements. Biocomputing involves using clusters of living cells to perform computational tasks. These aren't just any cells, though. Scientists grow tiny, lab-generated structures called organoids, which can be thought of as miniature, simplified versions of organs. One exciting direction biocomputing is taking is the use of brain organoids to process information, functioning similarly to how the human brain works. In Switzerland, a company called Final Spark is at the forefront of this research. They've developed a special computer platform that uses human brain organoids to assist with data processing. For a fee of $500 a month, scientists can rent this platform and conduct their own experiments, making cutting-edge biocomputing accessible to researchers around the world. What makes this platform stand out is its potential to revolutionize artificial intelligence. Final Spark aims to develop an AI system that consumes 100,000 times less energy than the advanced AI technologies we rely on today. The environmental and operational benefits of such energy efficiency could be groundbreaking. Each brain organoid used in this platform is incredibly small, measuring only about 0.5 millimeter in diameter. The processing unit contains 4 of these organoids, and they are connected to 8 tiny wires, or electrodes, which serve a dual purpose. First, the electrodes send signals to the neurons inside the organoids, mimicking how a nervous system works. Second, these electrodes allow the organoids to communicate with traditional computer systems, effectively bridging the gap between biological and digital worlds. A key component of how these brain organoids learn and process information is dopamine, a chemical that plays a role in our own learning and reward systems. Just like how dopamine helps our brains form new connections when we learn something new, scientists use dopamine to encourage the neurons inside these organoids to create new pathways. This means that, with time, the organoids could learn and become better at performing tasks, much like how the human brain evolves through experience. If this technology continues to develop successfully, brain organoids could eventually serve as processors in future computers, completing tasks that modern computers perform, but doing so in a much more energy-efficient way. The potential impact on fields like AI development, data processing, and environmental sustainability is vast. If you're curious to see this cutting-edge technology in action, you're in luck. Final Spark has a 24/7 live stream where you can watch these tiny brain-like organoids in action. But what's even more impressive is the growing interest from the scientific community. 34 universities have already expressed interest in using Final Spark's biocomputers for research purposes, and scientists from 9 institutions have started experimenting with them. Each research team is exploring different aspects of biocomputing, seeking to push the boundaries of what's possible. For example, the University of Michigan is leading a fascinating project that aims to create a communication system for organoids using electrical and chemical signals. This could lead to the development of a special language that allows us to talk to biocomputers. At the same time, scientists at Lancaster University in Leipzig, Germany, are investigating how organoids can integrate with existing AI learning models, potentially revolutionizing how AI systems are trained and function. It's important to note that while biocomputers hold immense promise, they aren't as powerful as the silicon-based computers we use today, at least, not yet. Manufacturing these brain-like organoids remains a challenge, as there isn't a standardized process in place. Additionally, since they are made from living cells, organoids don't have an infinite lifespan. However, Final Spark has made incredible progress. In earlier experiments, organoids could only survive for a few hours, but now, they can live for about 100 days. This improvement, along with the streamlined process of creating organoids, has allowed Final Spark's lab to maintain between 2,000 and 3,000 organoids at a time. Final Spark isn't alone in the biocomputing revolution. Scientists in Spain are exploring another form of biocomputing known as cellular computing. Unlike organoid-based systems, cellular computing uses specially engineered living cells to perform tasks similar to modern computers. The exciting part about cellular computing is its potential to interact directly with the environment. For instance, cellular computers could be placed in natural ecosystems, like lakes, to monitor environmental conditions. Unlike traditional computers, which are limited by their inorganic nature, biocomputers made from bacteria, for example, could react to changes in their surroundings, providing detailed data about the health of ecosystems in real time. Meanwhile, researchers at the University of the West of England are looking into the potential of fungi as a computing material. Fungi possess long, thread-like structures called mycelia, which are capable of transmitting electrical signals. These signals are similar to the way our brain cells communicate, leading scientists to believe that fungal networks could be used to create a brain-like computer system. In fact, these researchers have already trained fungal networks to assist computers in solving math problems. They argue that using fungi for computing might be more practical and ethical than using brain cells, as it's easier to grow and works well with existing technology. While biocomputing is still in its early stages, other forms of brain-computer interfaces are already making significant strides. At UC Davis Health, scientists have developed a system that translates brain signals into speech with an accuracy of up to 97%. This revolutionary technology could transform the lives of people with speech impairments, allowing them to communicate more effectively. The system works by detecting the brain's intention to speak, interpreting those signals, and converting them into text that appears on a computer screen. From there, the computer can vocalize the words. This brain-computer interface is part of a broader trend in merging technology with the human body. For instance, new prosthetic limbs are being developed that do more than just help people grasp objects. These prosthetics can now send signals back to the brain, providing a sense of touch. This development changes how we think about what it means to be human, as even artificial limbs can now connect with our nervous system in meaningful ways. Looking to the future, experts predict that computers will increasingly blend biological, physical, and digital elements. Innovations like 3D printing, biotechnology, wearable devices, self-driving cars, and more advanced AI are set to become even more integrated into daily life. The pace of technological change is so rapid that predicting where we'll be by 2030 is difficult. However, many experts agree that quantum computing will play a huge role in shaping the next era of technology. Quantum computers, which leverage the principles of physics to process information, are expected to make massive strides in AI, machine learning, and data analysis. These computers could become so small that they operate at the atomic level, opening up new possibilities for everything from personalized shopping recommendations to breakthroughs in medicine. Industries such as healthcare, finance, entertainment, and even privacy could be transformed by quantum computing's unparalleled processing power. Additionally, quantum computing could lead to smarter technologies in our homes, such as more efficient energy systems and even faster medical discoveries. It could also revolutionize industries like transportation, finance, and supply chain management, improving everything from traffic flow to global logistics. Finally, there's an increasing shift from 2D computing, which most of us are familiar with, to 3D virtual environments. Virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, technologies are becoming more advanced and accessible, allowing us to interact with computers in new ways that mirror the real world. Although VR and AR gadgets are still pricey, ongoing advancements are likely to make them more affordable and widespread. That's all for today. If you found this video interesting and it pacified your curiosity, make sure to like and share it with your friends. And if you're eager for more, just click on these videos and stay tuned for more exciting content.